never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Kanya-kanya pagawa siguro yun. Lang ni Tani yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kevin number 8.
Ay, layo naman. Pero hindi maganda yung ano niya, no? Hindi maganda yung additional niya, hindi maganda. Tayo na na eh. Aray, parang po ito. Ganda.
Once again, our candidate number 8. Please stand up. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Kevin.
Wala siya, di ba? Ako din eh. Sama niya na malapit yung phone. Okay ba ba? Pagkanyari ko po ng makeup.
Thank you so much for your time. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Tinanggal na yung kanilang mga palabis, so. Tinanggal na yung mga palabis nila. ladies and gentlemen, akala ko hindi na sila makatapos kahit ikot. So, hindi na sila nakatapos. And that concludes our Every Down competition. And at this very moment of time, we will begin with the plan of participation. Allow us to read the citation of this plan. May number 1 ba doon? Poise din ang number 1.
Silang na bakit?
Walang score sila ulit sa
Eh bakit yung iba may ganun din?
tatlo sila.
Oo, ito naman. Bakit pag siya naghahanda? Bakit may ganun?
Allow us to read the citation of this plan of participation. This certificate of plan is awarded to you for giving the time and effort to become one of the candidates during the search for the Damami and Nagara 2026. Given the state date of April, during our Lord 2026. At pangailanatan, Balayan, so, Barangay Council Honorable Lindsay Daytana and the Fashion Director Alexandra Montecano.
Si Paula pala yun.
And we have Representator
Pare, may pagkayang yan.
in front.
Nano?
Dito tayo sa lahat ng representator natin. Alright.
Bunutan, sa ano, bunutan ng question
Can
and
I
answer
have
eh.
your mic, please?
Nung nasa Hong Kong ako, yung mother of, ano, yung mutyanang, ano, mutyanang
Saan po
nayo.
kayo?
Nung sumali ako ng mutyanang nayo. Nawala yung aking yung, ano, eh, video ko doon.
Candidate number 1.
Question and answer yan, bunutan.
Alright. So, candidate number 1. And take this opportunity para sa mga kayong gusto pa sa mga. Hello, sorry.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga nandito, lalo na po sa mga judges natin ngayong gabi. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa nagturo sa amin. At lalo na po sa mga kasama ko, sa supporters ko. Thank you po sa inyo. Welcome po.
Thank you so much. How are you? And repeat your question. Kinakabahan ka pa candidate number 1.
Question yan eh.
Kalma lang, kasi yung open ka. Yung question ay dapat magaling sa ating mga judge, tama? Wala pa po.
Pero sa totoo lang, kanya-kanya na yan. Kunwari, pipili lang. Ewan ko lang kung gano'n.
Alright. Ulit ko ang katanungan dalawang beses na wala mami ko. Okay, okay. And you pick number 4. Number 4. Kung papipiliin ka, sino ang pipiliin mo? Ang iyong anak o ang iyong asawa?
Siyempre, anak.
Ulitin ko. Kung papipiliin ka, ayan. Kung papipiliin ka, wait lang. Ayan, announcement na po dahil sa alaman ng lahat. Once na tinanong ang ating kandidata, mangyari lang po na manahimik po na po tayo, iba po tayo magsugaw o mag-cheer after po ng kanyang kasagutan. Maraming salamat po. Kung papipiliin ka, sino ang pipiliin mo? Ang iyong anak o ang iyong asawa?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan para sa akin. Ang pipiliin ko po sa pagkakataon ito ay ang aking asawa. Bakit? Sapagkat siya po ang makakasama ko sa habang buhay. Alam naman po namin na ang ating mga anak ay magkakaroon ng pamilya. So bakit kami po